It's here. It's here, it's here, it's here. The big day is here. Actually, the big day arrived yesterday, and I was a good girl, and I waited and I didn't open the box, but the box that I just showed you is the very first copies of my book, hot off the press. My mom and I drove to the printer yesterday and picked them up, and these copies that I've got in this box are for very special people who backed my Kickstarter project way back in November and December. So to reward them for their support, they're getting all kinds of fun goodies in the mail. I've got their backers rewards all ready to go. We were just waiting to put their copies of the journal into the envelopes, and then I can take them to the post office. I really wanted to open this box and give those people who supported my project the first peek at the actual physical copies of the book. So that's what this is. I have a knife to open the box with. I can't wait any longer. This box has been sitting on my dining room table since I got home last night at 7 p.m. and that's long enough. Ugh. Okay. Dun, da, da, da. So here it is. Here's the box. Cardboard, handy. Great for doodling. What is this? Well, I don't know what this is, so I'm going to take this out. It appears to be, oh, maybe it's just packing material to keep the books from getting jostled around. But the book is called, apparently, Healing Trauma, which is intriguing. Okay, moving on. Paper. Wonder where they found that. And there they are. There it is. The first peek. Oh my gosh, I love it. I am so in love with that blue that we went with for the cover. Originally, you might have seen some posts various places that showed the cover in a green color, but I ended up changing it to blue kind of at the last minute, and I'm really quite happy that I did. So this is the back. It's got on the back, there's me. There's a little bit about me. There is some information about the book itself, and then this is actually an illustration from one of the pages in the book that we used on the back cover. And the cover is colorable. Like, you can actually, if you wanted to, you could color this image in. This image is also taken from one of the illustrations in the book, and then we added the title to it and my name on the little hanging sign there. And again, you can color the cover as well. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna move this probably really noisily because it's heavy. Yeah, so there it is. Let's have a look inside. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. This is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I think that's backwards for you. I don't know if it's backwards for you. But yeah, and so then right at the beginning of the book, we've got a few pages that explain how to use the different parts of the book and why I've found those activities that are in the book to be helpful. There's some tips in there as well about, things that I do to help myself with my journaling and help keep going, even when sometimes I don't feel like doing it. But yeah, okay, so then we get down to the pages. I think everybody has seen by now the alien. He's one of my favorites. He's in a lot of the promotional stuff that I do. And then on the second page on every day, there's the blank space, a writing prompt. So cute. Which other one have you not seen yet? You've seen the jungle one, the snake. Oh, nobody's seen the caterpillar, I don't think. He's cute too. I really like him. And then on the other side is a little cocoon. So the second page has, oh, it's not focusing very well. Sorry, guys. The second page, the image on the second page has a connection to the illustration on the first page of every day. So they're kind of themed. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I can't believe it's finally here. Okay, All right, I don't want this video to be, are you gonna focus? Hello? I don't want this video to be terribly long, so I'm going to, I'm gonna leave it at that. That is the journal, my very first one. I have a whole lot of other really exciting stuff that's happening right now, and I can't wait to share all that with you too. I can't share all of it yet, but I do just want to take a second to remind you that if you haven't heard about it all yet, to remind you that I'm doing a 14-day creative journaling challenge, and I'm really excited about this concept. It's something that I have never seen before, and maybe it has been done and I just haven't found it, but I couldn't find anything like it when I was looking for something like it, so I created it. And so the 14-day creative journaling consistency challenge is a free challenge that you can sign up for on my website. The link will be in the description below this video once I post the video on my social media. But if you're watching this because you're one of my backers, I'll include the link to join the challenge with this video. The challenge itself includes 14 days of daily journaling sessions where we get together live in a private Facebook group that I have set up, and we'll go through some journaling exercises together. And if you have any questions about how I managed to journal sometimes when I'm not feeling like it, or some questions about some of the tips or the techniques that you've seen me or other people using, I can try to help you out with that as well. In the challenge, we'll also have at least one special guest joining to have a little chat, and I haven't disclosed who that is yet. I will closer to the start date of the challenge. There's prize packages that I'm going to give away that will include copies of the journal as well as some other fun stuff that I love to use for my journaling practice. And what else? The challenge starts on June the 3rd. It runs for 14 days. And when it ends, I'm going to take a day off, and then on so it ends on the 16th of June. I'm going to take a day off to rest, and then on the 18th, we're having the official book launch for the Reflections Journal. And it will be, the winners of the prize packages from the challenge will be announced live from my book launch. Oh yeah, it's just, there's a lot going on, and it's really exciting, and it's happening super fast now after all of the waiting. So thank you, backers, so much for supporting me and encouraging me. And even if we never spoke, the simple fact that you backed my project showed me that I had all the encouragement and support that I needed to move forward with the project. So thank you from the very bottom of my heart, every part of my heart. And before I get all emotional, I think I'm going to wrap this up. So yeah, check out the challenge and stay tuned for more fun and exciting developments that are coming in the upcoming months. Yeah, take care. Thank you so much, guys. Mwah.